Hello everyone, welcome to Shiksha Drishti, the educational channel. Today's video is concerned with an alarming problem, that is water scarcity. Today I will be sharing impacts of this problem using facts and figures. First of all, we should know what water crisis is or what is water scarcity. It can be defined as a lack of sufficient available resources to meet the demand of water uses within a region. According to Niti Aayog report 2019, 600 million people are water deprived in India. The total amount of usable water in India has been estimated to be between 700 to 1200 billion cubic meters. But we should also know a country is considered water stressed if it is less than 1700 cubic meters per person per year. This means that India is under water scarcity. If the condition continues, the country water demand is projected to be twice the available supply, implying severe water scarcity in our country. According to the stats, 70% of water supply in India is contaminated. About 2 lakh people die every year due to inadequate access to safe water. It will also create a major impact on our GDP too. If the present situation continues, there will be 6% loss in our country's GDP by 2050. Many programs by the government have been launched to save water and to meet up the water scarcity in India. Some of them are Jal Jeevan Mission, Namami Gange, NRM, Amrut, but these programs are not going to work on ground level if we are not aware about such type of problems. So, on the behalf of Shiksha Drishti channel, I request all of you to save water, as we have all heard about the slogan, save water, save life. Thank you.